Hey there, guys, and welcome to the second topic in this course. We are going to review the Ads Manager on Facebook, and we're going to dive right in. This will be a quick review, a broad overview of the system, and we did a quick peek at it the last time here, but we're going to take it a step further here and review the features of the system here so you have an idea of what you're looking at when you actually get in to build your first ad. So this is the Ads Manager app. It's different than the Business Manager. The Business Manager is where you obviously manage all the details about your business. We have one campaign here going. We ran a test over the weekend. This is for business loans, so cost per lead is acceptable anywhere between 15 to 30, but we want to get that down to 7 to 10 bucks, so we're going to put it up in multiple different states. We have one running right now in the state of Florida. So any active ads you have on your campaigns are going to be listed here underneath the tab labeled campaigns. Now, within each campaign, have multiple ad sets as seen right here, okay? With these ad sets, you're able to create different demographics for different ads. Each ad set has its own ads within it. So one ad set could have one ad or it could have 50. It just depends on what you've chosen to do in your strategy. But in the Ads Manager itself, you can switch between ad accounts. Every person who creates a business ad account, which I highly recommend you do, will also have their personal ad account where they can run ads. Say you're a public figure and you're not quite at the point where you've got a big enough following on a page, you can run personal ads to create a following for that public figure page that you have going. From here, you can obviously access your business tools, which can take you back to your business settings, which is where we were in the last video, review the options you had on the back end. But from here, you can also access all of the other options you have, such as billing, media library, brand safety, going into Events Manager even, and going through your media library. All this information you can get and have access to from the Ads Manager dashboard. A very important feature for you to look at is the right sidebar menu, which gives you the option for help. If you ever need help when you're inside of an ad, this will change and give you updates. So we can give you an example here. When you're inside of an ad, that right sidebar option. If at any time you need help, well, Facebook has redesigned everything, so give it time to load here. All right. They must have moved the help. It used to be on the right sidebar right there. Not sure where they moved the help. Maybe it's over here in the settings. This is new for me, guys, and this is why we do these videos in real time and update them regularly, because they do move this stuff quite often. So I'm gonna have to start here to find the actual help. Maybe they moved it to business settings. Let's go in business settings and see. Here it is. So if you're ever in the situation where your ad account has any issues or your ads manager's frozen or ads aren't getting published, you can come back into the business settings and find your help articles. There we go. That's what I was wanting to show you from here. You can go into the help center, which depending on how long you've had an account, etc. From here, you can get live support. If you keep clicking around, eventually you'll find an option for live support. But yeah, this is the overview of the Ads Manager. Let's get back into the actual Ads Manager account here. Open an Ads Manager. And from Ads Manager, you can access pretty much everything. One thing I do want you guys to pay attention to, though, is the lifetime information does work for ads, but when you're in your own page and you're trying to, say, download ads that came from a lead form model, if you're going to run ads that way, then you have to go to actual Facebook, the actual page, so facebook.com, and from your page, so let's go to from your page, you have publishing tools. And inside those publishing tools, you'll have access to your lead forms whenever it loads. I don't know why it's not loading for me here, but anyway, inside publishing tools, you'll have access to your lead forms that you've generated, and there you can download your leads. Some people will have on the left-hand side here an option that says Lead Center, and that Lead Center is where you can find your leads as well. But for some odd reason, it's not registering. There we go. And Forms Library here on the left-hand side, you can see the other campaigns we ran. And you can download those leads. They only hold these for 90 days. So if you do not download this information within 90 days, see, you won't be able to get it. So we're going to go ahead and download all these just to be safe, right? But yeah, that's the Ads Manager overview. Again, it's campaigns, ad sets for each campaign, and individual ads inside of those ad sets. And we're going to move on to the next topic, which will review the numbers and go a little bit more in depth with this. See you guys there.